Hello students. Today we are going to discuss the chapter 4 of your textbook. Chapter 4. Objects and Classes. First we can see what is an object. An object is an entity that has state, behavior and a unique identity. For example, car, pen, dog, etc. State represents data, value, of an object. For example, dog has states such as name, breed, color, etc. Behavior represents the behavior, functionality, of an object. For example, dog has behaviors such as barking, running, etc. Now we are going to see the term class. What is a class? A class is a group of objects which have common properties. It is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. For example, apple, where apple is the class, and royal delicious apple, golden apple, granny Smith apple are the group of objects. Class as an object factory. Class is used to produce or create various objects containing common attribute and behavior. Hence, class is called an object factory. Class as a user-defined data type. Class is defined by the user, where a user can specify its characteristics and behavior. Once a class is formed, we can create variables of the type of class. These variables are nothing but objects. Hence, a class is referred to as a user-defined data type. Now we are going to discuss about the features of object-oriented programming. The main features are abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. Java is an object-oriented programming language, and Java also having the above discussed features. Abstraction. Data abstraction is an act of representing an essential feature of a class, without including background details. For example, while driving a car, one must only be aware of using clutch, brake, gear and accelerator. At the time of using the brake to stop the car, the driver need not know the internal mechanism of the car. Now we can see the encapsulation feature. Encapsulation in Java is a mechanism of wrapping the data, variables, and code acting on the data, methods, together as a single unit. In encapsulation, the variables of a class will be hidden from other classes, and can be accessed only through the methods of their current class. Therefore, it is also known as data hiding. Inheritance. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of the parent objects. The class which inherits the properties of others is known as subclass, derived class, child class, and the class whose properties are inherited is known as superclass, base class, parent class. It allows the reusability of the code, which is the most important feature of object-oriented program. Polymorphism. Polymorphism is derived from two Greek words, poly and morphs. The word poly means many and morphs means forms. So polymorphism means many forms. Polymorphism is the ability of an object to take many forms. It allows functions to behave differently for different objects. When we use method overloading, actually we implement the polymorphism feature. Okay students. That is the end of today's class. Please read the chapter 4 on your textbook and let me know if you have any doubts.